Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your fault.
Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel. It is Hey Tay Fitness back with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you a bit of my leg workout. I'm going to run some errands and we'll see what else the day holds. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm already ready for the day. I have my coffee and caffeine going, pumping through my veins and through my system, and we're about to go hit a killer leg workout. But first, I have to show you the outfit of the day. My outfit of the day is of course from the one and only Gymshark. I'm also super excited to announce that I am extending my contract with Gymshark. It has been a dream come true to work with Gymshark, and the whole team and the collections and just everything about it has been wonderful and a dream come true. So this beautiful set I got from the Black Friday sale. This is the Gymshark Power Set in magenta pink. So to make sure that I don't get nauseous and hangry during my workout, I'm going to make a quick English muffin. Wow, look at that healthy, nutritious breakfast. I'm just kidding, that's why I'm going grocery shopping today. Alright, we just got to the gym and we are the only people here, which is a gym rat stream. So we're going to start with RDLs. Let's get it. So I already did some dynamic stretching. What I did was some side to side, little lying toe tap situation thingies. And then I opened up my hips. Did some of this, hard to balance about something, and I did some little leg swings.
Hey, 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 hey.
Okay, so leg day. It was all right. Now we're going to go to the grocery, get some ingredients to make some healthy meals throughout the week. So let's go. Quick pit stop, we're going to Best Buy. I need to get some converters for my MacBook so that I can upload all these wonderful videos later today. Got the goods. All right, grocery shopping happening at Wally World today. I sound so stupid. Hello. All right, here's what I got from the grocery today. My protein sources, my favorite, I have salmon, I have chicken breast, ground turkey. I also bought this chicken sausage for breakfast. Carb sources, I have pasta, hash browns, rice. I also have sweet potato fries and sweet potato puffs. My guilty pleasures, I have DiGiorno pizza, some talenti, some muffins. This is one of my favorite snacks at the moment. I haven't tried these yet, but we'll see. Tonight I'm going to keep it simple and I'm going to bake some salmon in the oven, and then we'll just eat that with some rice. So I just ate. I'm going to take a shower for the night, do my night routine, and wind down. I hope you enjoyed my daily vlog. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.